Now, another cool way I can insert images is if I go and, let's say, instead of inserting something that's from the shape library here, maybe I want to insert something that's from the internet. So if I saved a picture off the internet and I want to insert that picture in here as well. So if I went through and chose maybe this globe right here, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my background color. So I'm going to tap on my background, I'm going to tap on my paintbrush, and I'm going to set it to no fill. All right. Images will work too, but you'll notice how this image has a box around it like that. I don't want a white box around it. I want a floating globe. So what I can do is I can actually tap on this image to select it, and then tap on my paintbrush. And then there's an option up here at the top. There's Style, there's Image, and Arrange. Under Image, there's actually a tool called the Instant Alpha tool. And what this will do is this allows me to tap on colors that I don't want. So I can tap on this white area and drag with my finger, and by controlling how far I drag, will control on how much of the image it's willing to select. So I want to get it to where it just selects the white border without messing up with the earth. So maybe somewhere in here. And I'm going to go ahead and let go with my finger. It shows me a little preview of what it's going to look like. I'm going to hit done. And now that background has disappeared. Now I have a floating earth. So if I go ahead and tap my three dots, I export images, make sure I'm on ping, and hit export. This time I'm going to, again, save these images. Now I will have a transparent image, or an image with a transparent background, that I can insert as well into an AR document.